Are you serious? Seriously. Are you really interested in learning how to be an affiliate online marketer? Affiliate is somebody that sells somebody else's products. That's the easiest way somebody can get started in an online business, and the fastest. Are you barely making ends meet? Maybe you have a 9-to-5 job and it's not getting you to where you want to be. You have bigger dreams. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom that wants to be home with your kids during the day. Or it's more important to you to have your kids with you rather than at a babysitter. Your Social Security check just doesn't cut it, like me. After working my job as a truck driver, big difference in that and Social Security, and I didn't like that idea, so that's how I got started. Maybe you've already tried learning and you've stacked up a bunch of shiny objects and courses that you don't know how to put together to make any sense. This plan's going to help you with that. Maybe you can use some of those shiny objects in this course. This 15-year internet marketer has some experience that he absolutely can show to you because he's successful himself. He started out from nothing, just like most of us. Vic has a plan, a blueprint that you can actually follow. Simple step-by-step action plans that are put together that make your complete marketing system. There's a big difference between interested and committed. Because committed, you're going to put your all into it. You're actually going to make it happen. If you're interested, you're just going to kick the tires and, oh well, maybe that's not me. Hey, my name's Robert Nadelin, and I've been studying the Success Challenge for 1.5 years. It's really made a big difference in my life, mentally and in my business. You wouldn't believe it, you know, what I used to do. A truck driver. I was doing all kinds of, traveling all over the country. And this has changed my life a lot. In this webinar, you're going to be shown secret number 1. How to find those products that people are actually wanting and are interested in buying. They've got a motivation. They've got a track record of being sold. Those are the ones that you want to get. Secret number 2, how to set up a 6-figure system. Systems work, people fail. Secret number 3, how to get quality traffic fast. All of these bonuses that I've listed on this page are high quality bonuses. They're not some fly-by-night type of little flimsy, half-baked idea of some report that you're going to download and have to read it, and it's got a bunch of stuff on it that's kind of irrelevant and hard to put together. These bonuses are actual courses that are to be used while you're taking this Success Challenge. Oh, if you enter in through the big door of the Success Challenge, send me an email at admin@robertnadelin.net. Within the headline, just type in there, I took the challenge in the subject line. And send me a receipt and I'll send you your bonuses. There's absolutely nothing like this on the internet today. On the next page, you're going to see all the raving students, like myself, who've taken the Success Challenge and absolutely crushed it. You can read their reviews and see for yourself that this is not a fly-by-night type thing. You should check it out.